Hello everyone, I am Kaushani. I am right now a first year medical student at Mallareddy Medical College for Women. I'm now waiting for my first year results. So as you guys know, the new batch is coming up, the 2025 batch. They are waiting for a new start, a new life, a new hostel, a new everything. So this is not a video only for medical students. This is for everyone who is going to college this year and who is very excited and very curious about college and who really want to know what they need for the hostel. So I know it's very daunting after living with your parents for your whole life basically. I know it's very tough, and if you are moving cities then it is even more tough. If you are moving like from North India to South India or South India to North India, it is even more difficult. I know that very well because I have moved to South India from East India. So it has been very difficult for me because of the language, because of the food and everything, the culture. See, the first thing you need for a good hostel life is a good personality. Okay, see, personality is definitely made by your hostel. Okay, so if you do manage to lead a good hostel life, I'm sure you will come out with a great personality. Okay, so what does a good personality mean? See, first thing is like adjustment capacity. Okay, see, in everything you have to adjust a bit. See, only adjust when like the other person is also adjusting. Okay, like if your roommate is not that good, but still you have to adjust, okay, because you have to live with that person. Okay, and if they are good, then of course you have to adjust because you have to compromise something to get something, right? And being adjustable is the first step of like having a good hostel life. And the second one would be being helpful, but not too helpful. Help only the people who are gonna help you. Okay, and the third is being observant. Okay, be observant about everyone, about everything, right? And see, the thing is many people will feel very nice at the beginning, but they won't be that nice like afterwards. Many people might think about me that way too, but see, you have to find your people, like the people you vibe with, the people you think are good for you. So you have to be observant about that who is like what and who matches your vibe or who matches your personality. Okay, now let's move on to the hostel essentials. What do you need for hostel? And I have made a list of it, like a full list of it, and I'm gonna be reading it out to you, and I think that's gonna help you a lot. So here it is. So see, for first things first, first we'll be talking about documents. What documents you need for your college or hostel. So first you need the college ID if they are giving you any ID. That one, the admission letter. You need the admission letter. You need the hostel allotment letter, and I would suggest you to carry some cash for the time being because. See, you are new to the place and you will need to buy many things, so better to carry some cash. And also carry your cards, like if you have any bank cards, please carry them because you will need money. Okay, you will need money for the first for the first 2 months in your hostel at least. Like you would need a lot of money. Okay, for the next part we are going to talk about the storage thing. Okay, what do you need for storage in your hostel? See, it is best if you go to DMart or Reliance or something and get those like plastic wala boxes. Have you seen those like transparent plastic wala boxes, like big boxes, some big boxes, some small boxes? Get those because in most hostels they will give a like a rack or something to keep boxes or something, or they will give a almirah or something. You can keep your things organized in those boxes. That would be a better decision. Okay, so always carry storage like boxes. Like I would also suggest carrying plastic bags or maybe thelas. You know, the DMart wale thelas they give, like the big ones. That one is called cloth bag type or jute bag. You know, carry these kind of stuff because you will need a lot of storage space. Also carry a lamp. Carry earplugs because you don't know who your roommate is. Your roommate may be a person who likes to make a lot of noise, so always carry earplugs for that because who knows, maybe that person will blast music throughout the night. You would never know. Okay, and earplugs, of course, best thing to do. Always be diplomatic, always be neutral. That is the best thing you can ever do for yourself. Okay, next is pillows. If your hostel is not giving any, you must carry pillows, pillow covers, a foldable table if you are used to reading like in the bed or something, or if you are used to reading like floor pay. Like I sometimes study in the floor, so I need like that foldable table. Okay, so get that also. Also a very long extension cord. You will need extension cord. That is very important. Okay, if you have like, if you know who your roommate is and if you are on good terms, like get it together because you won't need more than one extension cord, like long wale extension cord. You will need only one. Okay, for the bed part, you need a mattress. You need a mattress topper if you want. That is like a option if you want. Okay, but mattress you need if they are not giving any, because some hostels do not give out mattresses. So you need one mattress. You need a blanket, of course, and blanket and what else, like chaddar and everything. ये सब तो लेके ही जाना है भाई. ये तो like without any saying it goes कि chaddar लेके जाना है, blanket लेके जाना है, pillow cover लेके जाना है, ये सब क्या है. अच्छा, जो बहुत important है वो चीज़ जो लेके जाना है, जो बहुत लोग मिस कर जाते हैं, that is medicines. Please take your medicines. ठीक है, कि तुम्हें लगता है कि भाई मैं तो मेडिकल कॉलेज जा रही हूँ, मुझे तो कोई मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है भाई. मेडिसिन लेके जाओ, क्योंकि क्या है ना कि सम मेडिसिन मे नॉट सूट यू. इट डजंट मैटर कि हाउ गुड अ हॉस्पिटल इज और हाउ गुड एवरीथिंग इज. तुम्हारे लिए वही सूट करेगा जो तुम पहले से खाते आ रहे हो. ओके, सो ऑलवेज टेक मेडिसिन फॉर कफ, like cough, fever, vomiting, then indigestion, all these stuff like common things. इनके लिए एटलीस्ट मेडिसिन लेके जाओ. ओके, पेन किलर्स, ओके, प्लीज टेक देम. वॉलिनी, देन bandages, ठीक है. फिर कोई ointments तुम यूज करते हो लाइक बोरोलिन, सॉफ्रामाइसिन, टेक these things because these things are very important. तुम देखोगे कि कितने लोग तुमसे ये मांगने को आएंगे क्योंकि people do not bring this stuff. Okay, so you need it. Okay, and next is okay, you need ORS, you need salt, you need sugar, because if I'm not saying this is going to happen, but if you do get sick in the first week, okay, so you would not know कि where to go, किधर जाके मुझे मिलेगा सब कुछ, तो you do not know about that, so take sugar with you, take salt with you. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, शुगर के साथ सॉल्ट मिला के ORS बनाओ, वो पियो, ठीक है. एंड इफ दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, टेक स्मॉल सैशेस ऑफ ORS, ओके, एंड हैव इट विथ यू. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज क्लोथ्स. यू नीड क्लोथ्स. अच्छा, क्लोथ्स कैसे क्लोथ्स चाहिए? यू नीड फॉर्मल्स. कोई भी लाइक कॉलेज क्लासेस और एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट योर कॉलेज वांट्स. सम कॉलेजेस नीड लाइक कुर्ती एंड स्टफ, और लड़कों के लिए आई थिंक लाइक फॉर्मल पैंट्स एंड शर्ट. सम कॉलेजेस प्रेफर दैट. और एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट वीक में या फर्स्ट ईयर में एटलीस्ट जो मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में जा रहे हैं तुम लोगों का तो डेफिनेटली है कि यू विल हैव टू वेयर फॉर्मल्स, यू विल हैव टू वेयर समथिंग फॉर्मल, ओके, एंड कुर्तीज फॉर गर्ल्स. ओके, तो ऐसी चीज़ें लेके जाना. घर के कपड़े लेके जाना जो हॉस्टल में पहनोगे. एंड पहला टाइम है भाई, थोड़ा अच्छे कपड़े लेके जाना क्योंकि थोड़ा अच्छा इंप्रेशन बनाना है सबके साथ, तो अच्छे कपड़े लेके जाना एंड या एंजॉय. अच्छा, और क्या है? नेक्स्ट टॉयलेटरीज. अच्छा, कैसी टॉयलेटरीज के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? देखो भाई, शैम्पू चाहिए, कंडीशनर चाहिए, लड़कियों के लिए बता रही हूँ. शैम्पू, कंडीशनर, सोप, बॉडी वॉश, देन रेजर. यू नीड वो वाला, उसे क्या बोलते हैं भाई, लूफा और वट एवर यू यूज. ओके, दीज थिंग्स यू नीड क्योंकि दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू वॉन्ट नो कि किधर जाना है पहले ही जाके, तो ये सारी चीज़ें लेके जाना. हैंड वॉश ये सब लेके जाना, फेस वॉश ये सारी चीज़ें लेके जाना. लड़कों के लिए आई वुड सजेस्ट कि तुम लोग जो भी यूज़ करते हो लाइक 5-in-1 शैम्पू या 5-in-1 सोप या जो भी है, या रिन बार डिटर्जेंट, वो सब लेके जाना. तुम लोग अगर नहाना होगा तो वो सब भी लेके जाना थोड़ा. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज यू नीड वो वाला केटली एंड थर्मल फ्लास्क. यू नीड बॉटल्स, यू नीड लॉट्स ऑफ बॉटल्स. ओके भाई, प्लीज टेक बॉटल्स, ठीक है. बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े टाइप के बॉटल्स लेके जाना. तुमको बहुत पानी पीना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, पानी पीना अच्छे से. तो इसके लिए अच्छे बॉटल्स लेके जाना एंड कीप स्टर्डी बॉटल्स. ओके, बॉटल्स दैट वोंट ब्रेक. डू नॉट गेट प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स बिकॉज प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स आर not good. Okay, so get steel ka bottles or maybe whatever you want, but steel ka bottles. Do not get plastic ka bottles. And next you need microwave containers, microwave safe containers. If you have microwave, if you have an induction in your mess, then get those induction proof wala vessels or something. Get those. And quick cooking wale things. Quick cooking के मतलब क्या? कुछ मसाले ले लिए, ठीक है, थोड़ा वो वाला like spatula ले लिया, या फिर सॉल्ट, शुगर, मिर्ची, थोड़ा सा मिर्ची का पाउडर, ये सारी चीज़ें ले ली. जो भी तुमको खाना पसंद है ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं खा पा रहे हो तो खुद कुछ बना के खा लिया. थोड़ा सा कुकिंग तो सबको आना चाहिए भाई. दिस इज अ बेसिक लाइफ स्किल. अगर तुमको नहीं आता तो फिर तो भाई नहीं होगा, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा बेसिक स्किल्स आने चाहिए जैसे कि कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग एंड वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स. ओके, दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी बेसिक. यू शुड नो दीज थिंग्स इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वेदर यू वांट टू गेट मैरिड और नॉट. ओके, दिस इज फॉर बोथ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, ठीक है. सारी चीज़ें सीख के जाना. अच्छा, और अगर सीख के जाओगे भी नहीं, उधर जाके सब सीख जाओगे. The next is your dish bar. If you need a dish bar, अगर तुम खाना बनाने का सोच रहे हो कि थोड़ा भी मैं कुछ दिन खाना बनाऊंगा, सभी बनाते हैं भाई. मैगी वैगी तो सबको बनाना आता है, थोड़ा ऑमलेट तो बना ही लोगे. उसके बाद डिश सोप लेके जाना, उससे अच्छे से बर्तन मांजना, ठीक है. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज यू नीड अ ब्रूम, अ डस्ट फैन. ब्रूम क्यों? क्योंकि हो सकता है कि तुम्हारे घर में क्लीनिंग करने ना आए, तब क्या करोगे भाई? ब्रूम लेके जाओ, डस्ट फैन ये सब लेके जाओ, ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज ग्लू, सिजर्स, नाइफ. Glue, scissors, knife, very very important. And sellotape. Glue, scissors, knife, sellotape. These are very important things. You need them. अच्छा, next you need a lock and key. You need some snacks जैसे कि मखाना लेके जाना, और maybe भुजिया or something like whatever you like. Like I like चनाचूर, I like निमकी, तो मैं वो सब लेके जाऊंगी. If you like dry fruits, you will take dry fruits, right? So it depends on you कि तुमको कौन सा पसंद है, उस हिसाब से तुम लेके जाना, ठीक है. अच्छा, next you need a bucket, a mug, detergent, like Rin bar, soap. You need an iron, like a press wala iron. You need that क्योंकि you will have to press your clothes, and for like any kind of classes, for classes if you need pressing clothes, for exams you will have to press your clothes. Okay, especially for practical exams you need to press your clothes and look presentable. Okay, अच्छा, next you need like a rope. Okay, for like hanging clothes you need rope, and also you need cloth clips. Please take those things. If your hostel doesn't provide any, take a dustbin. Take those things like those trash bags, that black wale trash bags. Take those. You need many hooks. Okay, please get hooks because hooks are so much important. Okay, like hooks will save your life. Okay, please get hooks, like good adhesive ones. Get those hooks because you will need them. You will need hangers. Please get hangers. You will need the towels. Please take towels. Spoon, plate, alarm clock, छोटा सा alarm clock you will need. Or maybe if you if you like seeing a good वो वाले clock, like गोल वाले wall clocks, please take those. तो वैसे टाइप से अपने हिसाब से सजा लेना है अपने घर को, ठीक है. And you will need tissues or cloths to wipe down stuff, like your table will get dirty or something else will get dirty. You need tissue or cloths to wipe it out. Okay, all these things you need. And for your study purposes, like college essentials, I would suggest you carry like 4 to 5 notebooks, some stationery, pens, blue, black, or whatever you like, and highlighters, sticky notes, stapler, noise cancellation headphones if you have those. Carry those, and you will also need shoes, ghar ke chappal like slippers or something. You will need those things. Also get socks बिकॉज अभी ठंडी का मौसम आने ही वाला है, तो यू विल नीड सॉक्स. तो ये सारी चीज़ें बस लेके जाना है. और बाकी तुम्हें जो भी पसंद है, तुम्हें जो भी चीज़ें तुम्हारे दिल के बहुत करीब हैं, उन सारी चीज़ों को लेके जाना. आई नो हमारे दिल के जो सबसे करीब हैं, हमारी फैमिली, हमारे दोस्त, उनको हम लेके नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन उनकी यादें लेके जाना. मैं जब गई थी तो आई गॉट अ फ़ोटो फ्रेम, तो ऐसे कुछ फ़ोटो फ्रेम्स लेके जाना. पहले कुछ महीने वक्त बहुत जल्दी बीतेगा, उतना समझ नहीं आएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, एंड यू वोंट रियली अंडरस्टैंड द पेन ऑफ लिविंग अवे फ्रॉम होम. बट जैसे ही एग्ज़ाम्स आएंगे, जैसे ही तुम थोड़े से बीमार पड़ोगे, you will understand what it means to be at home, what it means to be in the midst of people who love you and who care for you. You know, it is a bit tough to stay in the hostel at that point of time, at that moment of time. इतना बुरा खाना, सारे हॉस्टल में बुरा खाना होता है भाई. तो इतना बुरा खाना, उसके साथ अगर इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव दैट गुड ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि पहले ही तुम्हारे उतने अच्छे दोस्त नहीं बनेंगे, तो इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव गुड फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव अ गुड रूममेट, इट वुड बी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू. बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, कि तुम इधर आए हो कुछ करने के लिए, राइट? इफ़ यू आर अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट, यू आर हियर टू सेव लाइफ, यू आर हियर to be a doctor. If you are an engineering student, you are here to be an engineer. If you are studying anything else, if you are studying to be an architect, if you are studying to be a geologist, if you are studying to be a scientist, if you are studying to be a professor in English or any kind of language, anything, if you want to be an archaeologist, if you want to be anything, you are doing it for your own good, right? And you took this decision that you want to live away from home, and trust me on this, like your personality will improve like 100 or 200% once you complete 1 year of hostel, because hostel life will teach you things which nobody in this world can teach you. These things are only learned by those who learn to live alone. Like many people might know these things, but they have known that a lot later in life. You know, they will understand all these things in their 30s or something. Like, you will understand those things right now. You will understand how to deal with people. You will understand how to distinguish right from wrong, how to distinguish good people from bad people. You will understand so many types of personalities. So I feel like it's a great thing to go to a hostel and live your life alone over there. Do not get scared, because it's not scary. I know it feels scary, but it is not scary. Try to keep an open mind, because see, an open mind and a diplomatic mind will get you far. Okay, always be diplomatic about things. Do not have opinion about everything, because too many opinions will land you into trouble. And do not try to be very visible. Okay, keep good relations with everybody, but do not do anything that like brings you to the spotlight. Okay, do not do those things. Okay, and for the last but not least, have a very good college life. I wish you all the best from my side. And if you need any more videos about anything else, please tell me in the comment section. And if you like my videos, if you like me, then please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.